Hello everyone, today we are making this super easy egg fry. This goes well with rasam rice, vegetable rice, biryani or just the way it is for breakfast or dinner. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need 3 hard-boiled eggs, 1 onion sliced, 1 chilli finely chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped, some curry leaves, and we are going to make a special masala powder with some fennel seeds, coriander seeds, peppercorns, chilli powder and cumin seeds. Let's grind the spices together into a coarse powder. Then in a pan, heat some oil and fry in your eggs. This step is important because this adds a special texture and flavor to the egg fry recipe. Flip them over and fry on the other side. Once done, it should look beautiful, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside types. And then keep them aside. In the same pan, splutter some mustard seeds, add in some chopped garlic, that's optional. Then some green chilies, some curry leaves, and saute them well. To this, add in your sliced onions, saute them lightly, and add in 2 teaspoons of the masala powder we prepared earlier. Give them a good mix, fry them well. Once the onions are slightly wilted, add some salt, saute them for 2 more minutes. Just add a splash of water to deglaze the pan and also making sure the onions don't go completely dry. To this soggy mixture, we are going to add in our fried eggs. Toss them well, and that's it. Make your egg fry this way and you will never get bored of it. I have them for breakfast almost every day. Look at that. That looks perfect. Enjoy this egg fry with your lunch, dinner, or just the way it is. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.